Hello friends, welcome to Gyan Pradeep English classes. Today in this video we will see the syllabus and question pattern of CBSE class 9 and 10 for the session 2020-21. Friends, every year CBSE has been doing something with the syllabus. This year also there is a change, though a mild one, very small change, but it has to do a lot of things with the students. You should know which areas have been deleted and what are the things that has been added. We'll compare the question pattern of 2019-20 and question pattern in that is going to be in 2020-21. Previously, in the year 2019-20, there were 11 questions in the question paper. Remember, 11 questions. This year, one question has been reduced. It will be 10. In English, I am talking about English only. So, first question in a question paper, it is an unseen passage of 300 to 350 in 2019-20. Same thing, same pattern in 2020-21. No change there. 8 marks, first paragraph, 1 paragraph, 8 marks, and questions will be multiple choice questions. Same thing will be continued this year. Question number 2 in the question paper. Again another passage, a little bit bigger in size, 350 to 400 words. With 4 questions, 4 short answer type questions, 2 marks each, that means 8 marks, plus 4 questions will be objective type questions. Same thing has been kept in 2020-21, no change in question number 1 and question number 2. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3 and question number 4 are writing part. These writing part vary from both the classes 9 and 10. So we have taken first class 9 only. So in class 9, earlier in 2019-20, question number 3 was writing an article or descriptive paragraph. Person, place, event, diary entry. More important, you see the words 100 to 150 words, and the marks allotted to this question was 8 marks. But this year there is a change. Mark it, there is a change in question number 3, writing part. First question in 2020-21 in class 9 will be writing an informal letter. Earlier it was not there. Informal letter on a situation or descriptive paragraph, person, place, event, diary entry, and more important, word limit will be 150 to 200 words, and the marks allotted is 10 marks. Earlier it was 8 marks, now 10 marks. So writing an article has been deleted, has been done away with, and writing an informal letter has been added. Now question number 4 for class 9, again one writing a short story based on a given outline, 150 to 200 words, 10 marks, and the same thing is there in 2021, no change. Now these two questions, question number 3 and 4, we'll see in class 10. Earlier in 2019-20, it was formal letter, complaint, inquiry, placing order, letter to editor, article about 100 to 150 words, and 8 marks allotted to this question. This year, though there is change in the pattern, there is change, yes, formal letter given there, but that article has not been included, only formal letter, and the word limit has increased 150 to 200 words, and marks allotted is 10 marks. Earlier it was 8 marks, now 10 marks. Question number 4, another change. Earlier it was writing a story writing a short story based on a given outline or cues in about 150 to 200 words, allotted marks 10 marks. Now in 2021, writing an analytical paragraph on the basis of the given map, chart, report or line graph etc. in about 150 to 200 words. The word limit and the mark are same, both are same, but writing earlier it was a story, now it has been changed into an analytical paragraph. Now you will be writing a paragraph. It will be very clear after we get the details from CBSE. CBSE will be providing in coming time. So till then we have to wait what exactly this writing part contains. But as of now, we are getting analytical paragraph we have to write, not a story. Question number 3 and 4 over. Now question number 5. Now we are adding 9 and 10. Both the patterns are same. So question number 5. Earlier it was grammar 5, 6 and 7. 3 parts were grammar questions. Earlier it was grammar has 12 marks, 4 marks in each part. Question number 5 4 marks, 6 4 marks and 7 4 marks. Now that has been changed. The grammar has been given 10 marks. 2 marks from grammar has been shifted to writing part. Earlier question number grammar had 3 questions. One was gap filling, second one editing or omission, and the third one, question number 7, third one sentence reordering or sentence transformation. Now there will be only 2 questions in grammar. First question 4 marks, close paragraph, gap filling or editing. Close paragraph almost equal to gap filling. The question is like gap filling only. So close paragraph, gap filling and editing, there is no omission, only editing. Out of the 3 you will get 1 question and 4 marks will be there. Next one, dialogue writing or reporting dialogue on a given cue, that has been given 6 marks. Dialogue writing, reporting dialogue on a given cue, 6 marks. Narration and the voice change, these 2 grammar part are more involved in this question. So earlier it was there also reporting dialogue, earlier was there in sentence transformation part. Now it has been given 6 marks. Next, coming to your literature part. In 2019-20, class 9 and 10, in literature part the first question was extract. Extract from a prose or a poetry or a play, and from the 2 questions will be coming and you have to choose only 1 out of the 2 extracts, and 4 questions, 4 objective type questions. Now it has been changed. 2 extracts will be given, but there will be no 4, there will not be 4 questions, there will be only 2 questions and each question carries 2 marks. And if you see earlier 2 questions were given from comprehension. Comprehension means the from the extract the answers will be there, and 2 questions from interpretation, explanation, inference, your interpretation on the extract. Now both the 2 questions are given from based on interpretation. So short answer type 2 questions from the extract. Now no objective type question from the extract. Now coming to the next question. Next question is 5 short answer type questions from both the books. Your Beehive and Moments written here for class 9. Similarly, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet will be in class 10. 5 questions, 7 questions will be given and you have to choose 5 and write them in about 30 to 40 words. 2 marks for each question, 10 marks, and there is no change this year also. 2021 same question pattern. Next one, 2 long questions and there is no change also, no major change. 1 question from Beehive with 2 questions will be given, Beehive for class 9 and First Flight for class 10. Here only we have mentioned, only class 9 mentioned. For class 10 it will be first flight. So 2 questions will be given, you have to choose one and write a long question. Word limit given 100 to 150 and mark allotted 8 marks. And the last question, 11th one in last year, this year it will be 10th question, one question from the supplementary book, and it will be 100 to 150 words, 8 marks will be allotted, 2 questions will be given, you have to choose one. Except this, there is no change in the syllabus, the topics are same, the grammar topics are same, only the writing part a little change is there, otherwise there is no major change in other topics. So this is the syllabus. I hope you might have got an overall view of this change in syllabus. Thank you very much. Signing out from Gyan Pradeep. Thank you.